Welcome to today's class. In this class, we'll be discussing about background position, how to make use of the background position in in our CSS, the background position property. So now, what do we really need to know? The background position simply means where we want to um, the exact place where we want to place our background. That is the exact position where we want to place our background, either at the top, either at the right, either at the bottom, either anywhere we want to place our background. So let me show you the background position, how we can make use of the property. So now let me come to the body. So the squigglies. So let me say background image URL. So background image. So I'll open my image file. So I'll be making use of the pix4. So now we have it here. So I told you by default our background is repeated horizontally and vertically. So now let us remove the repeat properties from our background. Background repeat. Let's remove it. Background repeat. And I will see no repeat. No repeat. Now you see our background did not repeat. We have our background here. By default, our background will be at the left top corner of our website. By removing the background repeat, now you now see that we only have one of the logo here on our website. So now let's move on down to background position. So the background position let me place it at the right. At the right. Now you see it is now at the right but at the bottom. So now let me change it to be at the top. Now you see it is now at the top. Now what about if I change this to the bottom? Now you see our background is at the top, is at the bottom and at the right side of our website. So now let me now change it to the left. Let me say left. To the left hand side. Now you see our background is now at the left hand side but at the bottom. So by default it is at the top. It is at the top by the left side. So we can use the background position to change our background image to any place of our choice or our preference. So this is how you can make use of the background position in CSS. So thank you.